Tape the lower portion, make a coil, and lower portion end exactly on the same point when coil start. Solder upper element, fill the gap with hot glue, fill everything with hot glue, prepare and coax, solder SO259 connector, and that's all, folks. Let's make a simple flower pot 5/8 wave. It's actually 7/8 wave antenna off-center feed dipole. Take a precise measure, take some tools, remove unnecessary material, snap on extra cable. Now twist together center and braid, soldered. For upper element you can use any kind of wire. The matching stub is inductive, so make it exactly on the measure. And this looks like a gap. Gap is actually off-center feed point of antenna.